Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. Sandals that feel as comfortable as tennis shoes. Well, that's what these Skechers Reggae sandals have done for me.
I like how the straps are made of a beautiful leather material, but the inside is soft and cloth-like. It has really good arch support. I feel really supported in these sandals. The soles are exactly like a tennis shoe. They have really good traction. You don't feel like you're going to slip and slide around when you walk in them. And the best thing is that the straps are adjustable. They come apart, so they adjust to your feet. So that way, whenever you're walking around, sometimes your one foot is bigger than the other foot, so you can adjust the straps to the exact width that you need for your foot.
These Skechers sandals have been my go-to pair of sandals. I love wearing these. They feel so comfortable, just like tennis shoes. I even have them in other colors, and that is just my point of view.